Freaking right, guys. Look, Dan Marinier hooked me up with a free coffee. What a guy. What a guy. So when he comments on the video there, give him some thumbs up. There you go, Dan. There she is in all her pride. Thanks, buddy. Alright, well, I'm in town right now and finally picking up the crank for my sled. Winter's over, but my crank's ready, yeah. Anyways, let's go do that and not fucking hit this caravan bitch because she's going so fucking slow. Oh my god, people are retarded. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna start a new series where I drive around and I fucking start talking shit about people's crappy driving. Ooh, she was cute. Yeah, I think that's an amazing idea. Why are all girls in Lancers like pretty damn cute? What's up with that? Fucking Lancers. Alright, let's get the crank and see what's up. Well, there's the crank. Start putting the sled back together. Well, that's why it wasn't working. Look, it's low on headlight fluid. Fuck's sakes, top that shit up, boys. Look, Mars, there's another Ford that was your competition. He's just fucking loaded with scrap. Just look at him. Alright. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Alright. Hey, Luke. You out for a nice drive today?
Great day for a rip, folks.
Okay, oh yeah. Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, what happened?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh. I mean. Oh no! Oh! Oh my fucking Lanta! Stop the carnage! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my fuck! Tell me you just didn't do that. Well, nobody's gonna buy it now.
Still gotta get it out of here.
No, I'm talking about the truck. Oh well. Not a big deal. I have big plans for that truck. So, a new attraction at Reva's Radical Rides is our new fountain. We have a new fountain at Reva's Radical Rides. So beautiful and majestic. A red neon here, and Luke's gonna try to jet my boat. Push on her there.
It's not even heating up. Where's like a kid?
Fuck it. So much for that.
This thing sucks.
So today we're curling. I've never done this before, but apparently it's fun as fuck. So we're 2 games up. Like, we've won 2 games, which makes no sense. I got my dad on my team, my mom on my team, and we got Luke over there. Luke, say hi. Yeah. Yeah, the fancy 70s guy there. What's going on? So we're playing the 3rd and final round, and let's see if we can do 3 wins in a row. Oh, father! What are you doing, father?
I brought my skates.
We're curling, ma. I'm gonna have to probably drop this and sweep the shit out. Hello, Mattel. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, you didn't expect that. Oh my God, curling action. Oh, they're sweeping. They're so whipping. Too bad we beat them. And you. Oh. This is not good. We're losing so far. We have 2 ends here, and we're losing 2-0. But it's okay. We played decent, except we screwed up, but we still played decent for people who have never done it before. That's good. That's going to work. What do you think, Pa? I think we bit off more than we could chew this time.
Gonna be a hard one.
Oh dang, rocks be going everywhere. Pa, what do you think?
Ready to go.
Oh God, we're losing 3-0. It's the 3rd set.
We gotta make some points here. We gotta make some points. We're gonna plan something out really good. Hopefully. No.
Hello, how you doing?
Uncle Gates is being a Neanderthal monkey guy. Neanderthal monkey guy. Get some sweeping action in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, they're sweeping. Yeah, it's like they're sweeping for the house. They got some points up. Alright, Mummy's turn. Mummy's turn to make us champions.
Pressure's on, boys.
The pressure's on. The pressure's on because I farted and there's more air density in here. Pause up. I might have to sweep, so you guys are gonna miss out on this action. So we're out here at the ice hut today, and I just
Who else is coming?
I don't know.
No.
We got some lines out. We got lots of lines out. How's it going?
Oh,
You may recognize this douchebag from the last curling video I made. Which will be with this one because, yeah, I haven't used that footage yet. But by this time, you'll already know that I have used that footage because it'll be in this video. Okay, so, yeah. We're going to play some, we were supposed to play some jug curling, but, you know, the curling pad is, no, not even close to being good. So we're going to play some Texas horseshoes, and hopefully that'll work out. Come on. Pressure's on. No. Never.
Oh my God, that was close. Okay. No pressure, no pressure.
Don't say that.
No pressure, no pressure. Oh my God. Hey, motor. Easy, girl, easy.
If you want to haul wood like a pove, you're going to need 2 elements. You're going to need a Dodge Grand Caravan, and you're gonna need some wood. But there's no more wood, because now it's in the Dodge Grand Caravan. Approval! What's up, guys? So, no, I've been kind of slacking in the filming department. I haven't been doing much either. But, it's a nice day. Oh, hey, puppy. Hi. Okay, so I got my van in the garage last night because I went to Luke's to watch The Walking Dead, and well, he had some wood that he wanted to get rid of, so thanks, Luke, for the wood. And oh fuck, it's smoky in here. I made a fire. Made a fire, and I guess it's getting smoky or died out. Warm. Ooh, coals. Anyways, this is Luke's wood, leftover stuff. So what we're gonna do is we'll clean off the back window of the van. Still working on the Camaro. That's coming out today, though. I gotta work on my sister's car. So we're gonna put these two stickers on there. Alright, we get the bloke on there beside my new one. Those are my new stickers, by the way. If you haven't seen them. We got a little doggy on there beside the old sticker and the THC sticker. Man, this van is getting to be pretty bad. This side is really bad, actually. Really bad. So, very soon we'll be fixing this. A little bit of wheel well. This wheel well on this side needs metal work. Yeah. This is all pretty much rotten through. Right there too, you can see peeling. So we're gonna clean this van up pretty cool. I got rims in the back from a Grand Cherokee 17s. They actually look really nice. They're like a 5-star. They'd probably stick out a little bit. Put some nice little rubber on it. Make the van look like a cool van. What? Does that exist? But yeah, it's all stuff that's free. The only thing I actually gotta buy is tires. So see if we can find a decent set of 17-inch low-profile tires. But now we're gonna go get coffee. We're gonna go get some bolts for the rear brackets for the brakes on the Camaro.